Hi, it's me. I'm really looking terrible right now, but had a good day yesterday at work. Helped a lot of people. I feel really good about that. I'm off for the next 3 days, which is awesome. I'm really excited. I have to show you some things because it's been really busy. Okay, all right, so look over here. This is just an aside I had to show you. So last year, I found all these bulbs in that hill over here, you know, the one that's the bane of my existence. And I planted them out here. And look, I thought for sure the squirrels would eat them. Nope, they don't like them. So I think I finally found a solution for this area. And it looks like, you know, I need to weed, but I'm not pulling anything out because the pollinators, guys, I'm not going to mess with them. I want them to be around. And this side too. Pretty cool, huh? I'm really happy. So, okay. So that's done. Winnie's in the yard playing with weed. Go figure. That is a pond. It looks very beautiful. Look at this. Okay, this is our garden. This is where the veggies are going to grow. So over here is Don installed irrigation. He's starting to do drip irrigation because out here we have a huge problem with powdery mildew because it gets hot in Virginia. So, but look, I have 16 beds and we have room for more if we decide we need it. And then I put archways in between in the middle beds. And then look at this. Dawn installed these panels that I'm gonna do beans and probably flowers up here, climbing flowers. So I'm really excited. It looks like over here, some of the wildflowers I planted didn't get destroyed or anything. So we'll see. Either way, I'll just replant them if they got turned away when we were doing this big renovation. It's not the end of the world. So those are things I can fix very easy. Look at this. So loofah, birdhouse gourd. Who knows what's going to be over here? Maybe give me ideas. I could even do indeterminate tomatoes here. So, because it's nice and strong. So, and these things right here, I don't know if I showed you before. I think I did. These are places where you put scraps in and it kind of does worm composting. So I'm really excited. Somewhere else to, you know, recycle and all that stuff. And I'm already starting to see, look, I forget what this is. It's probably kale. And then I also have some peas coming up. Look at that. Cool. I'll probably have to water soon. I'm kind of it's going to rain, I think, Wednesday. So we'll probably be okay. I'm trying not to water too much right now. Just because I want nature to do it. But other than that, that's the shed Don built, and that is his workshop we have those 2 big water catchment systems, and he's got 2 more on the other side. And he has been so busy. I've been cleaning house. I haven't planted much yet because a lot of my bare roots will be coming in very soon. So over there is the butterfly garden. Got more to do there. This right here is my wisteria. Cut it way back, keeping it under control here. I cut back this butterfly bush. Everybody knows they grow right back. So, and then I have bluebeard here. The butterflies love it. And I already have some bulbs coming up. That's probably allium. And then look, this is clematis. So I'm really excited. And then over here, I have some of my chamomile coming up. And then I have wonderful garlic everywhere. So it's doing very well. I'm going to be getting more strawberries because a lot died in that cold weather. And then here I've planted a little lettuce and cut back some of the dead things here. Like this is verbena. And so here's the other water catchment. We took out 3 of our water barrels. I'm going to give some to friends. And then this was cut way back. This is my panicle hydrangea. It had a lot of areas that were dead, so we cut it way back. But this is one, and this is one, and that's one. And I didn't even plant those. So thank you, nature. So these are more alliums right here. And I have right there hollyhock. Let's see what else. Not much else is going on. Oh wait, yeah, my forsythia, obviously. And then I did find out this is love in a mist right here. So that'll be really pretty. And then right here is hyssop. I think that's hollyhock again, calendula, and some bulbs. So I think they're irises, baby irises, and snapdragons. So right here and here and here and here. Should be beautiful. I'm hoping they spread like they did last year. This is totally free. I'm trying to figure out what to do with it. This is carrots. More garlic, which we don't get into, right, Winnie? And over here is broccoli too. It has been out and uncovered for 2 weeks and doing fine. Actually doing better. So lot to do, lot more to do, but things are moving along. You guys have a good day.